Hey everyone! So in today's video we are visiting at Purva Park Hill. It's a residential project located at Kanakapura Road in Bangalore. So we are at the project location and this is the project surrounding. And now we are showing you the project model of Purva Park Hill. So this project total consists of 4 towers with B plus G plus 20 floors, and it offers spacious and luxuriously built 2, 3 and 4 BHK flats for the residents. This project is well equipped with top-notch amenities, both indoor and outdoor. And now let's take the interior view of a 3 BHK model flat. So this is the main entrance door. And in front you can see a spacious living and dining hall, beautifully crafted. So it's a fully furnished model flat. And here's a sit-out area attached with the living space. So friends, for pricing and other details related to this project, you can check the description box below. And now we are heading towards the kitchen, so here it is. It's a modular kitchen, finely crafted with efficient space. The kitchen has L-shaped platform. And it also has a utility area attached to it for washing and cleaning purpose. Next we have the first bedroom. The room is thoughtfully designed. And it comes with an attached washroom. Next we have the second bedroom of this flat. This room is designed with a wide window. And here's the common washroom. So all the sanitary fittings are of Western style. And finally we are heading towards the master bedroom. It's spacious and beautifully crafted with laminated wooden flooring. The room is designed with pleasant interior. The bedroom comes with an attached balcony. It also has an attached washroom. So viewers, this we have showed you a 3 BHK model flat of Purva Park Hill. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching. For more details, please contact our sales team at the given number. Thank you.